Welcome to our new series, Taste versus Takeaway. I'm Kim Coverdale, and this is where I take a taste recipe and I go head to head with takeaway. I'm getting the same recipe, I'm ordering one from the takeaway shop, and I'm creating the other one here in my own kitchen and work out which one's the fastest, the tastiest, the cheapest, and which one's lighter on the calories. And as usual, I've got the lovely Steph here. She's going to wrangle up the takeaway, and I'll be the one in the kitchen doing the cooking.
So today's dish is a pad see ew. It's a Thai noodle stir fry, and it's actually one of my favourite dishes to order.
Pressure's on.
So I think, yeah, definitely the pressure's on today. Okay,
well, with a pad see ew, generally, you love to get that beautiful char on the noodles. It's got to have that sweet sauce, some nice vegetables. You just want that sticky, really rich tasting stir fry. So hopefully I tick all the boxes for you today, Steph.
I can't wait to try them. All right, so Kim, you know the rules. You can't start cooking until I order the takeaway.
Yes.
Are you ready to go?
I think I am, yep.
All right, let me do the ordering. Great.
Okay, ready? Okay, I'm ready to start. So I've got my beef fillet here, and what I'm going to do is just really thinly slice it. Using fillet is really good because it's quite lean, perfect for stir fries, but you can use rump if you want.
And does it have to be beef?
No, it doesn't. You can use chicken if you want, you can use pork, anything. You can even just keep it vegetarian. You can use some tofu if you want. So there you can see it's nice and thinly sliced. And then we've got the rest of the ingredients to prep up as well. 2 eggs, so lightly beaten through that. I've just got a couple of garlic cloves, and I know this is going to be a bit rougher than normal because I want to beat that pork.
Because how long do you think the dish takes to cook?
The dish, look, it'll probably only take about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, it's really quick. It's just this process that you need to get done. So this is Chinese broccoli, also known as gailan. Cut them into about 3 centimetre lengths. And what I like to do is I like to keep the stems separate from the leaf because the stems take a little bit longer to cook through. What I've got here are fresh rice noodles. Mm-hmm. All you need to do is just blanch them in boiling water. You don't want to overcook them because you're actually putting them into the wok again. Yeah. So they only take about 30 seconds, and that's just to loosen them up a bit. I'll strain that now. So then all that's left to do, Steph, is just mix up the sauces together, and then I'm ready to start cooking. So what we've got is some ketchup mayonnaise. Got some oyster sauce and just some light soy.
What is ketchup mayonnaise? I thought that was soy sauce.
It is, it's an Indonesian one, so it's like a sweet soy sauce, and it's vital in this dish as well. Just adds that hit of sweetness. So give this just a quick stir.
And that's the sauce done?
And that's it. So do you want to check in on the takeaway and we'll see if they've accepted our order?
Yeah. They are preparing our order now, so I think you've still got some time.
Okay, I'm going to head over to the wok, and I think that's it, so let's go. I've just got my wok here. You want to get it up really high and just pop a little bit of the oil in. For a purist, you want to use peanut oil. You can use olive oil if you want, but for the flavour, yeah, I recommend the peanut oil. So now I'm just going to cook that beef. So just small batches, keep moving it around the pan and you won't lose that heat. So you can see that that's nice and brown on the outside and it's almost cooked through. Okay, so that's the meat done. Okay, now we'll do the rest. So just pop a little bit more oil. And now the garlic, we need to cook that off. And now I'll just grab the gailan. Just pop the stems in first because they take longer to cook. And then give that a quick stir fry. Okay, I'll just pop those leaves in. Give that a quick toss through. And now I've got my noodles that I drained earlier. I'll pop those in. And just toss that through. I've got my sauce mixture. Pour that over. So that's going to coat those noodles and make that real glossy look that we love about pad see ew. And then just pop that beef back in as well. And then we've got the rest of the ingredients to add. I've got some white pepper. And then we've got the egg. So pour the egg over. And that is also going to coat all of the noodles, all of the beef. And that only takes about 30 seconds to cook.
It actually smells so good. I cannot wait to try it.
So Steph, that's basically done.
It smells so good.
Can you tell me where the takeaway is?
Okay, so it's on its way, but I still think we have some time left. I'm actually going to sneak a little bite now. If that's all right, because it smells that good.
I'm happy that you
just grab a little noodle here.
Okay, watch out, that's hot. It's good, isn't it?
It is so good.
You get that sauce, the eggs on the noodle.
And it's sweet but a bit smoky as well.
Yes, that's exactly what you want.
Yum.
So I guess we just now need to kill some time while I wait for the takeaway.
All right.
I need to hold it. Yes! Finally, it's here. It looks good. I'm a bit stressed. All right, we'll see. Okay, so we were talking earlier about what makes a really good pad see ew. So basically, we want to taste that nice balance of sweet and salty.
Yeah.
And we want that nice charred look on those noodles.
All right, which one should we do first?
Oh, let's do mine.
Okay,
I
agree.
really want to try it. How is it, Steph?
That is so good.
Yes.
That's really, really good.
Okay. Oh, that's excellent because I know it's your favourite. So the pressure was on. I won't lie. I was very nervous cooking this for you.
That is so delicious. I can really taste the garlic as well. And the greens look really crisp and tender.
The sauce has fully coated all of the ingredients too, so you can see it on the beef, you can see it on the noodles, on the greens as well. And I think adding those bean sprouts at the end, you get that extra bit of crunch as well. So, no, I'm so happy with this one.
I don't want to stop. This is so good.
It's delicious. No, you got to eat the next one too. You have to because it might beat.
All right, let me try the takeaway version.
Hopefully not.
It actually doesn't even compare.
It's really bland. It's like there's no sauce.
Your noodles were nice and long. These ones are all kind of chopped up and a bit gluggy. Okay, I'm going to go back
so
into
happy.
your one because that is so good.
I just want to hear you just keep eating it and just keep saying it.
Okay, let's have a look at the scorecard. How would you rate this for flavour?
Okay, my one?
Your one, yeah.
5 out of 5. Come on.
So the taste one took around 25 minutes to cook.
Yep.
Takeaway was around 31 minutes, so not too bad.
No.
For the price, the taste one was around $5.20 per serve.
Yep.
Takeaway was $11.25 per serve.
Per serve?
Per serve.
Wow.
And for the calories, the taste one was 398 calories and takeaway was 525 calories. I think taste wins.
I'm happy with that. That's so positive. Oh,
I want to go
thanks,
back for
Steph.
more.
Keep eating, Steph. Do you want me to make this for you all the time? Yes. Okay. So for this recipe and more, just head to our website.
And if you have a popular takeaway dish you want us to put to the test on Taste First Takeaway, please let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.